Hi there, I'm in the lab with your mate JJ. Today is mail call. Not a very big mail call today. 2 packages from Amazon and 1 small package from AliExpress. So yeah, it's going to be a quick mail call. There might be an unboxing coming up, depends on what's arrived. I am expecting a few things, so this could be anything. I don't know what it is yet, but we'll know in a second. So let's pop over to the bench and see what we got. Alright, well here we are on the bench. Things are in disarray at the moment. I'm waiting for some of these square mesh containers to show up, and while I wait, all of my tools are just in a big pile on the desk, because I've recently repurposed 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. Anyway, that'll be good. That'll be coming up soon. So first things first, let's see what's arrived by the fast horse from China. Ah yes, very good. So you see, in recent history, I bought some USB-C cables from Amazon, and they weren't USB 3. They were USB-C, but USB-C 2, USB 2, which is not what I wanted. So these are USB 3 cables with USB-C ends. So these are good to have. I'm going to rewire at least 1 and maybe 2 of my cameras. Now this is the first one from Amazon, and I have to tell you, I know what this one is, and it's probably not going to float your boat. But I thought it was pretty cool. And honestly, it was a little bit of a mistake. I had decided not to buy this book just yet. I was planning to get it, but like down the road when I'm ready for it. But when I went to check out at Amazon, it was still in my shopping basket from earlier on. And I thought, ah, fuck it, for 50 bucks, I'll get it. So I did. And this is, as I recall, I got this book on the advice of my mate, whose name I don't actually even know, but he's a fellow YouTuber, and he has a channel called Learning as a Hobby. So I'll link you into his channel. And he's been going through the Bourbaki, is it? I'm not sure. The people who there was like a French cabal or something. I don't know all about it, but he does know all about it. And he mentioned this book, Advanced Calculus. I am not ready for Advanced Calculus, but I've got the Spivak book. I've got a couple of books, and I will be going through them. Eventually I'll get here. This might be, for me, this might be 5 years away, maybe even 10 years away. I'm going to get here, but not directly. So this one's just for the shelf for now. And now, the package we've all been waiting for. So, I've got a couple of things, and this can't be all of them, so I'm not sure exactly what we're going to have in this box. So, fingers crossed that it's something cool. Alright, what have we got? Kick-ass. Oh, hang on. Okay, it says 8-port KVM switcher. Now what are these? Oh, cool. Alright. So, let me explain to you what's happened here. Now, this is my Amos 8-port KVM switcher. So it's an 8-port KVM. I'm going to install it in my lab over there. At the moment I have a 4-port KVM switcher. It's full, and I have an extra 5th port that is uncatered for at the moment. So when I install this, which I will do right now, I will I will have 3 spare. So it's a good problem to have. I'm going to do a separate unboxing video for this. I'm going to record that now, and then I'm going to install this thing. So I'm going to go away and do the unboxing for this. And this probably deserves an unboxing too. Or maybe not. This is the GreatFET one. It's a protocol analyzer for hardware. So I saw it. There's another thing that I want to get. This I forget how to pronounce it, but I'll put some notes about this in the show notes as well. What are we going to do with this? What are we going to do with this? I think I'll have to do a whole video on it. So yeah, that might conclude this mail call. Just to explain, this is Great Scott's Gadgets GreatFET one. It's the new version. It replaces the GoodFET one, or the GoodFET. This is open source hardware. Design files, source code, and documentation may be found at greatscottgadgets.com/GreatFET. Made in China. Okay, and it's a board. Shall we look in it? Why not? Now I have to confess, I don't know how to use this yet. I don't know how you use it, but apparently you can use it to do protocol analysis. So I'm not 100% sure what we're dealing with. What I want to be able to do is monitor the activity on the I2C or those various serial protocol that the microcontroller use, and I believe you can do that with this, but I have no idea how you do it. So there's a lot to learn for me here. It's got 2 USB micros, and they've come with 1 USB micro cable, and it looks like we get some sort of a sticker or something. I don't understand. I don't understand this. I don't know. It's good fodder for the thing. All right. Well, so there you go. That's the board. That's the thing it came in. It's we'll call it an unboxing. We'll look at this in closely in a future video. So for now, I'll throw it over to the farewell cam and we'll wrap up. And that's a wrap. So yeah, hard to say what the best thing today was. I'm pretty happy to have my 8-port KVM switcher. I'm going to do the unboxing of that now, and then I'm going to install it over here. I've got a bunch. That's where, yeah. Anyway, in that sort of nest of cables, that's where my 4-port switch is. I'm going to switch it out for this new 8-port switch. And when I get some time, I'm going to investigate using my GreatFET to have a look at what's happening on the wire for some of my microcontroller projects. I probably shouldn't have bought this yet. It's probably going to take me a little while to get around to actually having a close look at this, but it was inevitable that I would get one, so I've got one now. And it's good to have some proper USB-C cables that can do USB 3. And I suppose the least exciting thing was my advanced calculus book. Not because I don't think it's cool, just because I'm not ready for it yet. So it's going to take me a couple of years before I'm ready to take that on. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks very much for watching. And please remember to hit like and subscribe. Oh, and P.S. This Great Scott board, which I'm very much looking forward to checking out, came with some DuPont cables, and I thought it was funny because the last thing I need is DuPont cables. Let me show you my DuPont cable setup. I got female to female, my favorite, female to male, and male to male. Can you see all that? Yeah. So I'm nearly full. This is female to female here, and this is female to male here, and this is male to male here. So now you know.